Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to install FreeBSD on a virtual box. You will need FreeBSD ISO image and a virtual box. Make sure you have already installed VirtualBox. If not, you can download it from the link in the description. Now let's download FreeBSD ISO image. All you need to do is search for FreeBSD, then click on the first link, go to the downloads, look for AMD64 ISO image and then download this ISO image. As you can see, I have already downloaded it. Now let's skip to the installation part. Now let's begin with the installation part. First you need to create a virtual machine for FreeBSD. Click on new, then you can give any name. I will be giving as FreeBSD. Then give a path to create a virtual machine. I'll be giving as D drive. Then by default the type will be BSD and the version will be FreeBSD. Now let's allocate some RAM to our virtual machine. I'll recommend allotting 4 gigs of RAM. Now choose create a virtual disk option and then click on create. Then give the path where you wish to install your OS. Then allocate some space. I'll recommend allocating 20 gigs of hard drive. Then keep these default options and click on create. This will create your virtual machine. Now let's optimize our virtual machine. Click on settings, then click on display, and let's increase the video memory up to 128 MB. Enable 3D acceleration. Click on system, then you can change your RAM allocated to virtual machine from here. Then click on processor and let's allocate some more number of processors. I'll be allocating 4. Enable these two options. Now click on storage, empty, and let's attach the ISO image of FreeBSD. Click on this icon, then choose a disk file, and by default it will be in your downloads. So select the ISO image and click on open. This will attach the ISO image. Now click on network, change this to bridge adapter, click on OK. Now our virtual machine is optimized. Now let's move on to the installation part. Let's begin the installation part. Click on start. This will boot up our virtual machine. Wait for a few seconds. Yeah. So our virtual machine is currently being booted up. If you are using VirtualBox, press Ctrl+C to go into full screen mode. Now press enter. Press enter to install. Now select the keyboard layout. By default the keyboard layout is English itself, so we'll continue with the default key map. You can give any host name as you wish, then press enter. Now choose these options which are selected by default itself. Just press enter. Now to partition our drive, choose the second option, guided UFS disk setup, and press enter. This will partition and format the entire virtual drive. So choose the option entire disk and press enter. Yes. Then choose guide partition table. Then commit. Now it is partitioning our drive. Now it is extracting the installation file from the ISO image. This may take several minutes, so let's skip. After the extraction is completed, you will land on this page. Now the default user will be root. Now enter password for the root. This is asking for an network interface. Just click OK. Then would you like to configure IPv4? Yes, click it. Would you like to configure IPv6? For our installation we don't need, so we'll be selecting no. Then click enter. Now select the region. As I'm an Indian citizen, we are part of Asia, so select Asia and then select India. Yes, make sure you select today's date. Today is 3rd of February, so set date, skip, and just press enter. And yes, if you want to add some user, you can click on yes. Now let's add an user. Suppose Shantanu. Name. Leave the default login group. Now yes. No, I don't want an empty password, so enter no. Do you wish a random password? No. So enter your desired password. Just press enter. Now just go across the details and it is okay. Then yes. Do you wish to add another user? No. Setup of your FreeBSD is nearly complete. You can now modify your configuration choices. After this screen, you will have an opportunity to make more complex changes using a shell. Now just exit the application. Your installation is now finished. So press enter and press enter to reboot. As you can see, the system has now been rebooted. Now let's start the Unix. Press enter. As you can see, the Unix system is now starting. This may take several seconds, so just wait for it. Yeah, so as you can see, it's asking for username to log in. So this indicates that our Unix has been successfully installed on VirtualBox. Now let's log in as a root. Enter the root password. Yeah, you can see it has logged in as root. So we can conclude that our Unix operating system has been successfully installed. Now, thank you.